Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. If you watch my show, you know that I am in love with these pens. They're called Uni Posca Pens, and a lot of you guys have them, but you know, a lot of you guys also have questions about them because they're not inexpensive pens. They're kind of expensive. And the thing about it is they come in all these different sizes. And so I get these requests all the time to say, hey Sophie, which pen should I buy? Well, I thought, you know what, today we'll test out a bunch of Uni Posca pens so you can see what the actual size of the nibs are, and then you can decide which one works best for you. So let's take these pens and put them to the test right now. We're going to be taking a look at 4 of the most common Uni Posca sizes. This is a 1M, which is a 0.7, and this is a 0.7 Uni Posca 1M, PC 1M. And I'm just going to draw it right here, like that. You can see that's a nice, tight, thin line. You could use that for writing text. The next size up, right here, is 3M, which is 0.9 to 1.3. And take a look at that. You can see that's a little bit thicker, but pretty darn close. So you could still use that for writing. The next one up we have is 5M, which is 1.8 to 2.8, excuse me, 2.5, 1.8 to 2.5. 5M. And there you can see that's much wider. So that's going to be good for drawing. That's going to be good for coloring. And then we have the 8K. And this is a big old marker. Let me show you what this is. And this has like a chisel point. Can you see that chisel point? And you can draw that way, so you get great coverage for painting, but you can also draw with the top of the chisel point, so you get a thinner line. It's bigger than the 5M, but it is not huge, not like the other part of it. I'm going to show you what a Sharpie pen looks like. So your Sharpie pen is about a 5M. Those two are pretty close. Then I'm going to show you a ballpoint pen. There's your ballpoint pen. So your Uni Posca 1M is slightly larger than that ballpoint pen. So it's not quite as fine, but it's pretty darn close. It's somewhere in between the Sharpie and the ballpoint pen. There you go. So hopefully that'll help you see the difference between the sizes of the pens. Now, just to make it easy for you, I'm going to put a PDF of all of those different sizes on my website at Sophie-World.com, and you'll be able to click on that PDF and you'll be able to see the size comparison and also what the size nibs are, so that you'll be able to make the right decision for your projects. For more fun ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com, and if you like these kind of comparison things, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and if you've got a comment, leave it down below. Let us know how you like your Uni Posca pens. For more great stuff, check us out at Sophie-World.com.